Tired of juggling multiple chargers for your devices? Imagine powering your MacBook Air M2 to 51% in just 30 minutes with a single, compact charger. This 65W GaNCharger isn't just fast, it's designed to simplify your life by replacing all your conventional chargers with one reliable solution. I've tried countless chargers over the years, but none have matched the balance of power, efficiency, and safety like this one. It's not just about speed. This charger uses the latest GaN technology, which means it stays cooler and smaller than traditional chargers. That's a big deal when you're traveling or working from home and need something that won't overheat or take up too much space. Plus, it's versatile enough to handle everything from your phone and tablet to your MacBook Pro or even a Nintendo Switch. What really sold me was how well it manages multiple devices at once. With 3 USB-C ports and a USB-A port, it can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously, distributing power efficiently so each device gets the optimum charge. No more waiting around for one device to finish before plugging in the next. And it's compatible with a broad range of devices, whether it's the latest iPhone 14 Pro Max, an iPad Pro, or a Galaxy S22, you're covered. If you're looking for a charger that's dependable and built to last, this one's worth a look. It's already a favorite among users who appreciate sturdy cables and worry-free charging that won't damage their device batteries. Many even trust it for company devices, which speaks volumes about its quality and safety standards. Ready to cut down on clutter and speed up your charging routine? Try this 65W GaNCharger when you're ready. It's the kind of investment that pays off every day: fast, efficient, and versatile charging in one sleek package.